If you're tired of counting sheep but still want better sleep, munch on these instead. Let's be real, tossing and turning at night is the worst. You stare at the ceiling, your mind races, and before you know it, you're calculating how many hours of sleep you'll get if you fall asleep right now. But what if I told you that the secret to better sleep and a happier mood could be as simple as what you snack on before bed? That's right. Tonight, we're activating chill mode with some delicious, magnesium-rich foods that can help you drift off faster and wake up feeling refreshed. First up, almonds. These tiny nuts are magnesium superstars. Just a small handful before bed can calm your mind and help you snooze like a pro. But why almonds? Well, magnesium is a mineral that plays a crucial role in supporting deep, restorative sleep by helping your body maintain healthy levels of GABA, a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation. When you're low on magnesium, you might find it harder to fall asleep or stay asleep through the night. Almonds are also packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which means they keep you feeling satisfied without spiking your blood sugar. So, instead of reaching for sugary snacks or salty chips, try a handful of almonds as your new bedtime ritual. You can even sprinkle them with a pinch of cinnamon, or pair them with a few dried cherries for an extra sleep-friendly treat. Next, let's talk about a leafy green that deserves way more love. Spinach. Don't roll your eyes. Spinach isn't just for salads. Blend it into a smoothie or toss it on a pizza for a magnesium boost that helps your muscles relax and melts away stress. Spinach is one of the most versatile veggies out there, and it's absolutely loaded with magnesium. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach can provide nearly 40% of your daily magnesium needs. And the best part? You don't have to eat it plain. Add a handful to your morning smoothie for a hidden nutrient boost, stir it into soups and stews, or even layer it on your favorite homemade pizza. Spinach also contains other sleep-supporting nutrients like potassium and vitamin B6, which help regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. If you're someone who deals with muscle cramps or restless legs at night, the magnesium in spinach can help your muscles relax and reduce nighttime discomfort. Plus, the folate in spinach supports the production of serotonin, the feel-good hormone that helps keep your mood balanced. So, whether you're a salad lover or a pizza fan, there's a way to sneak more spinach into your day and support better sleep and a brighter mood. Now, let's move on to a treat that feels a little bit indulgent: dark chocolate. Yep, you heard me. A square or two of the good stuff is loaded with magnesium and totally counts as self-care. Dark chocolate isn't just a delicious dessert. It's actually a powerhouse when it comes to supporting your mood and sleep. The key is to choose chocolate that's at least 70% cocoa, as this contains the highest levels of magnesium and the least amount of added sugar. Magnesium in dark chocolate helps relax your nervous system, making it easier to unwind after a long day. Plus, dark chocolate contains antioxidants called flavonoids, which can help reduce inflammation and support brain health. And let's not forget the mood-boosting effects. Eating dark chocolate triggers the release of endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that make you feel happy and content. So, the next time you're craving something sweet before bed, reach for a couple of squares of dark chocolate. Pair it with a handful of almonds, or a cup of warm herbal tea for the ultimate nighttime snack. Remember, moderation is key. Just a little bit goes a long way. So next time you're feeling cranky or wide awake at midnight, skip the weird sleep hacks and snack smarter. We've all been there, scrolling through endless lists of sleep tips, from drinking warm milk to counting backwards from 100. But sometimes, the answer is much simpler than you think. By choosing snacks that are naturally rich in magnesium, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs to relax, unwind, and prepare for a restful night. Instead of reaching for your phone or turning on the TV, try creating a calming bedtime routine that includes a magnesium-rich snack, a few minutes of gentle stretching, and maybe even some light journaling to clear your mind. Not only will this help you fall asleep faster, but it can also improve your mood and energy levels the next day. Remember, good sleep isn't just about what you do right before bed. It's about the habits you build throughout the day. So, make magnesium a regular part of your routine and watch how your sleep and mood transform. Almonds, spinach, dark chocolate. 3 easy ways to vibe and thrive. These foods aren't just tasty. They're practical, affordable, and easy to find at any grocery store. You can prep them ahead of time, keep them on hand for late-night cravings, or even pack them in your bag for a midday pick-me-up. The best part? You don't have to overhaul your entire diet to see the benefits. Just a few simple swaps and additions can make a big difference in how you feel, both at night and during the day. Magnesium is often called the relaxation mineral for a reason. It helps regulate your nervous system, supports muscle function, and even plays a role in managing stress and anxiety. By making these foods a regular part of your routine, you're not just supporting better sleep, you're investing in your overall well-being. So, whether you're a busy student, a working professional, or just someone who wants to feel their best, these magnesium-rich snacks are a game-changer. Try them tonight. Your mood and your pillow will thank you. Imagine drifting off to sleep with a calm mind, relaxed muscles, and a happy heart. No more tossing and turning, no more midnight frustration, just deep, restorative rest that leaves you feeling energized and ready to take on the day. And the benefits don't stop at sleep. When you get enough magnesium, you may notice that your mood is more stable, your stress levels are lower, and you have more patience and focus throughout the day. It's a small change with big rewards. So set yourself up for success by making these foods a part of your nightly routine. Your body, your mind, and yes, even your pillow will thank you for it. Don't forget to hit like if you're ready for major chill vibes. See you next time. And if you found these tips helpful, share this video with a friend who could use a little more rest and relaxation in their life. Remember, taking care of yourself doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Sometimes it's as simple as choosing the right snack. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep vibing, keep thriving, and keep making choices that support your best self. Sweet dreams.